can Agyapong or your trofo no do obi or rise be an opeso brenase on timi bremase o me masori koso because no can yes anamete debia na Gaisie were girls. I thank God I'm not a gay onu kro yakokora no ompna onu po yakokora no wa what is a preku so nemba ene ne kasa tie me omuntu ne papa no for be o me for every day me kese no me bomba yetia no me share you tia no tie me Agyapong, you can't touch God. Take all your trophy.
That means that you have a hand in Operation Okokoye.
I never say me my casino. See me, my bomba yetiano. Because no yam no you know be basa. Ne ba no any TV station or radio station. Ebi am ne pe inte so koko o manum. And me me difo me kasa so tie. Tie me o. Mon kan se na busofo tie a. O mon kan se yes sunfo no. Yemfa yensan kan yen. Me difo Messia sorry down me rade me nyankopon wapam apam me ne rade wono ne nyame enibi.
As at January, February, March there, it was between Agyapong. You see, if not for what Agyapong did to some of us, he stood a very good chance. But he has messed it up. Yeah, if not, and I think that when he is alone on his pillow, he will regret some of these regrettable regrets. If not, he's a fine man. Very, very fine man, very, very fine man. But for what he has done, I don't even because of my sake, for me alone, my sake. There's no way God will honor him.
Really?
No. Some of us have covenant before God. Some of us have walked with God. Some of us have served God. That you attack me. It's unfortunate. I still love him. I love them.
So if not for what he did to you, he could have become the flag bearer.
Yeah, if not for, you see. I'm friendly. I'm a social media friendly person. I've been reading.
Very friendly.
Yeah. See, what he did to the church, even if they give the nod to him, some of us will pray and fight that it should not be.
Nigel Gaisie, Mahama tieni yende. Girls are ekwa ho ahia. Woman na de wonsem ko ena Nigel Gaisie dey a prophecy abagiska pru. He is not man of God. He's not. And the revelation I'm going to give you, ubehu say onye man of God. Na akwa we oni oba bi ko Gambia. Okoji aduro.
Yeah.
Mo sa ayino ho.
Ye wo ho.
Mommo.
Yes.
Nigel Gaisie. Osori obe di akufo ado atem ni fie odi Mahama si ho ena odi akufo ado asi ho okọ Israel sword bi odi na odi awo akufo ado bo
kind pa
yeah we fake
na odon pictures mi no asisi ho
yeah na odi awo na watimi aseti one of the boys are all follow oti si obi ni pepepepepepepe yeah ukoji aduro wo Gambia aye ka kire say no yire na and what too time for her. Utu ya betna was son fi ya chimota hon. Hon ade mattress sa udi girls no. Wo face hon. Yes. O ya mebo girls ni nyina din. Oni Nigel Gaisie ko Gambia. Okoji eduru a wodi beye na sori wo Ghana. Na obaye ontua ne ka ompese otua ne ko pretend kura se onim no.
So the man
no onim se maame no wo pictures ene ndi odi kochire pa kwesi miss part ni yi emra odi pictures ni chire pe wana Nigel Gaisie ebuku to dwe e pacho we osofu but em say maame ni voice nti oka obia etie no oka no kore but obia ntie no na still enkofo ekosa akohwini we asori we fake the President Mahama information odi manyina eye President Mahama ho nkofo ena ko kansem ne kire Nigel Gaisie ena odi hyenkom agiska owi anu amomu bi that's what he does. Yes,
kwhyenkom
yeah kwhyenkom wow osi ye 2020 one timi ama Mahama ngunia wasori begu because nobody will believe you again.
Inte so koko o manum ena me difo me kasa so tie me o mon kan se na busuafo tie a o mon kan se yesu sunfo no ye mfa ye nsan kan yen me difo Messia sorry down me rade me ni Nyankopɔn wapam. Apam a me ni rade wo no ni nyame enibi. So ne mba ene ne kasa tie me o. Omo ntu ne papa no for bi o me di for every day me kese no me bompa ye tia no. Me sure you tia no. Tie me Agyapong. You can't touch God. See take all your trophy. Agyapong or your trophy. No do obi alright bi no person brenase. Ontimi bremase. O me sorry koso because nyo can yes na metie. Debia Nigel Gaisie were girls. I thank God I'm not a gay. Onu kro yakokra po no wompna. Onu po yakokra po no wa what is a preku.
That means that you have a hand in Operation Okokoye.
Anya masame makese no. Tie me, ma bompa ye tia no. Because no yam no ye obi basa. Ne ba no he TV station or radio station. Ebi am ne pe Medi 37. That your casa say me a small boy na me mate, why employ me mate. Pacho. Obi friend Nyankopon. No be the be angel now. You see, I respected him too much. But in conforming if you respect them, they don't respect themselves. But hear me, or said me jumano, or go me cry hufi, because I never son me say Agyapong does not have any evidence on me. I sit on your TV station to say, there are many answers for. Me, we don't play games here. I'm not a gaming guy. I'm a landed man like his son. So for paying be a family to me for. Inti na me pese me jam pa na me botia no. Ana nya me nko na me bom pa etia no. Edifo bebre bom pa etia no.
So why den?
O sorry tia nya me adwuma.
Really?
Now Herod sorry tia nya me adwuma no odane gogome. Herod sorry tia nya me adwuma no odane gogome. Me de me ni hu na mu ajanyo. I have no weapons physical. But my weapons are spiritual. And every day me come in now, if I go on my knees and praying, I curse whoever is after my life, and I curse whoever is after my church. Mon can't take Agyapong say onjai prophet onjai prophet Nigel. But I feel way or kabako, meso TV, make a Facebook, make a 10. Na mimi wo sunsuma wodin ya me obi ani Ghana, obi ani wi aso be ka say me ma ba na abaje adro, bi wa nya adro na me yusu. Me feel me call us and so togu me so and a radical time so afreme. Na that be a make kese Agyapong. Agyapong abusuafo any omuntu no fo. Because me and was rawo me so. Apam edimeti.
No but o ka say uhu no na waye ketwa.
Me ka say me say me hu obi a wanya cancer waye kotwa. Me mbo ne din ye, me mfa ne din sha. Bragofi me hu my high.
Okay.
Me mbo ne din ye. But me me what say that be a me bomb pa etia no. And the so who nyansa say for him to be in the bathroom to fall down, I see when you tumor no onso nyansa. If that is true, I don't wish anybody sickness. Yare yemfanya nipa. Some patriotic say, but Ghana for now bedi madam say my money need. Agyapong must know that he's not the only man in Ghana. Listen,
as at January, February, March there, it was between Agyapong. You see, if not for what Agyapong did to some of us, he stood a very good chance. But he has messed it up. But for what he has done, I don't even because of my sake, for me alone, my sake, there's no way God will honor him. That you attack me. It's unfortunate.
So if not for what he did to you, he could have become the flag bearer?
Yeah, if not for, you see, what he did to the church, even if they give the nod to him, some of us will pray and fight that it should not be. Because this, you want to be, once you are not present, you can lie on people. You can lie. I lead a congregation. At that time, before you attack my own night, about 2,500 people.
You had a huge number.
Very huge number. It dropped like that. Attack Bedikobi dropped like that. Attack us dropped like that. If nobody's above attack, nobody's above. If we are doing something wrong, nobody's above that. But bring the evidence, bring the material. I always tell people that anything that we have been accused of, has anybody bring material evidence to support it? It's just the figment of their imagination. They feel that, oh, the guy is NDC. I'm not NDC. If you check, I'm even MPP. Because those times when we're Legon, they program us in that the
Kufuor era, right?
Yeah, the Kufuor era. They program us that low level, quote unquote, low level people are in NDC, uneducated people are in NDC. You know, so we're programmed to be capitalists, not socialists.
But I went to Israel with my son to go and do deep things. For the NDC have become attractive. I know a lot of things that we have done. So to the NDC fraternity, may they uphold righteousness. May they not attack the church. May they not attack the prophets. If a prophet makes a mistake, let them take the person before the law. May they not do what Kennedy Pond did to us. Because we prayed against them because of what they did to us. They dishonored us, they fought us, and we have fought them on our knees. So I live here, and this ends the prophecy for the year 2025.
Master prophet.
Hey, this is my church. These are my members. I had over no less than 2,000 members. It dropped to about 80. For some time, I was sleeping in a bookshop. Because Mr. Titi, because I lost my house because of John Mahama.
So what Europe and as America now say this guy area Ghana and Kwade we send wave money transfer app na betimi aboa so we send the mobile money wallet so and our bank account so ubetimi use this app we e dey ascend I wish a network be easy be as ubetimi e dey ascend this so now first transaction no ubenya $20 free the answer will be easy promo code JSXM2 JXXM2 we use our promo code here or first transaction pay and I'll be $20 free.